Children, back to science class again. Children, we finished unit 1, my body, isn't it, in the last class. So this class, let's do textbook exercises. Okay, get ready with your textbook, children. We'll finish textbook exercises this class. Are you all ready, children?
Children, let's finish our textbook exercises. First one, pick out the odd one. Pick out the odd one. The first one is pick out the hard one. The first one is heart, legs, brain, kidney. So pick out the odd one here. Look here, first one, heart, isn't it? It is an internal organ. The next one is legs, external organ. What about brain? Internal organ. Kidney, internal organ. So which is the odd one here? Legs, because it is the external organ, isn't it? Next one, eyes, ears, fingers, lungs. Eyes, it is an external organ. Ears is also an external organ, isn't it? Fingers, yes, it is an external organ. Lungs, is it an external organ, children? No, lungs is an internal organ. So, circle that, lungs. Okay. The next one, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain, nerves. So, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain are the primary parts of brain, isn't it? So, nerves is the odd one out. So, circle it. The next one, complete the figure. Complete the figure with words given in the brackets. So here what I'll do is for good touch, I'll write G on the top of this option. Okay, for bad touch, I'll write B on the top of the option. Okay, you take it and write it in the box. Okay, children. The first one, kissing on the mouth. Is it good touch or bad touch, children? Bad touch, isn't it? So I'm writing B here. So you take that option and write it in the box given in the bad touch. Okay. Next is grandparents' love. Is it a good touch or bad touch? Yes, good touch. I am writing G here because it is a good touch. So you fill up the box given in the good touch. Next one, hitting the buttons. Obviously, you know it is a bad touch. Next is pat of dad on head. It is a good touch. Parents hug and kisses. Always good touch. Showing awkward pictures. Bad touch. Children, fill up these boxes. Okay, whichever is bad, you fill up in bad touch, and whichever is good, you fill up in good touch. Next one, let's see the next one. Find the answers from the following clues and circle the words. Okay, the first one is done. An internal organ. What is an internal organ? It is heart. Okay, it is already circled, isn't it? The next one is organ that helps us to breathe. Name the organ that helps us to breathe. Which one, children? Lungs. So, circle lungs. Next one, an organ removing waste from our body. Have you all guessed it? Yes, kidney. To make it proper circle, children, let me try this way. Okay, I'll do it correctly. Can you able to see now? Kidney is the organ that helps in removing waste from our body. Okay, unfair and unhealthy touch. Bad touch, isn't it? Bad touch. So you can circle bad touch. Finished? Okay. Next one. Every day we should drink more water. Isn't it? We have to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. So we have finished this. Moving to the next exercise. Say true or false. Say true or false. Say true or false. First one, head, hand, and legs are internal organs. Internal organs are head, hand, legs, lung. No, they are external organs, isn't it? So it is a false statement. So write false. I am writing only F here. You write it as false or simply write F. Okay, it's okay. The next one is heart is made up of muscles. Yes, true. Heart is made up of only muscles. Next one. Muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. Muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. Okay, yes, correct, true. Muscles are the soft part that cover our bones. Brush your teeth once a day. Is it correct? No, we have to brush our teeth twice daily, isn't it? So it is a false one. Next one, father patting you on your head is a good touch. Yes, true. Now we'll move on to choose the correct answer. First one, dash is the commanding center of our body. You all know the answer for it, isn't it? Which is the commanding center of our body? Brain. So take this option and write it in this. Fill in the blank and fill the blank. Okay. So fill the blank space here, write like this. Write your brain. First one I'll write for you, children. Fill the blank space. Okay. With the correct option. Okay, next one. Food is converted to energy in the stomach, isn't it? Food is converted to energy in the stomach. See the options: neck, heart, stomach, nose. So which is the correct option? Stomach. So you have to take the correct option and write it in the blank given here. Okay. The next one. Every day we should brush our teeth. See the option dash times. See the options 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 2 times. Okay. So 2 is the correct option. Fourth one, good touch is a fair and dash touch. See the option unhealthy, bad, unsafe, healthy. So here it is given good touch. Good touch is always healthy touch. Next one, drink a lot of dash every day. Options are oil, water, packed juice, salt water. Oil, water, packed juice, salt water. Think which one is correct? Is obviously water, isn't it? Okay. Next one, answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. Just we'll discuss here. I'll give you not separately. Okay, name the internal organs. What are internal organs actually? The organs inside our body is called internal organs, isn't it? The organs that are inside our body are called internal organs. What are the internal organs? Yes, heart, lungs, stomach, kidney are all internal organs. What are the functions of brain? Can anybody? Yes, it helps us to think and perform various actions, isn't it? It is the commanding center of our body. It helps us to think and perform so many actions like moving our body, moving our hands, sitting, walking, running, everything, isn't it? Yes. List out the food items for healthy mouth and teeth. So I told you in the class itself. Can anybody? Yes. We have to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and dairy products, and we have to drink lots of water. Okay, we have to drink milk and fresh juices, isn't it? And we have to avoid eating sticky foods. Okay. Next one. How will you take care of your heart and kidney? So to take care of our heart and kidney, we have to avoid fatty food and we have to drink lots of water. Okay, we have to avoid fatty food and we have to drink more water, and of course we have to exercise regularly. What do you do when someone touches you and you feel uncomfortable? What do you do when someone touches you and you feel uncomfortable? So யாராவது வந்து நம்மள தொடும்போது நம்மளுக்கு ரொம்ப ஒரு மாதிரி ஹர்ட், ஒரு மாதிரி பிடிக்கல, ஒரு மாதிரி டிஸ்கஸ்டிங்கா இருக்கு அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க உடனே? Say don't touch in a loud voice. Okay, don't touch in a loud voice. Okay, or else leave the spot immediately. Okay, leave the spot immediately and tell elders. Maybe your grandparents, parents, or teacher. Okay. So first one is say don't touch in a loud voice, leave the spot quickly, and tell elders till you get help. Okay, children. So children, so when an unknown, the next one, when an unknown person disturbs you, how do you behave? Write in your own words. The same answer as I told you for the fifth one here. Which organs control thinking, speaking, and learning? It is brain. Write its three important parts. What are the three important parts of brain, children? Forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Okay. This project part, I'll intimate you later. Okay, children. So with this, we are finishing our textbook back exercises of unit 1, My Body. Okay, children. I'll give you notes for the lesson. You can copy it in the class book.
We finished textbook exercises today. I'll give you question and answers copied in the class book. You can write it with pen, children. You can use pen to write in class work, but write neatly and legibly. Thank you, children.